There's a remarkable story about this Nigerian boy. He analyzed 13 shares on YouTube within the last 4 years, and impressively, they all turned profitable. I mean profits as high as 700% on just a share. He impressively analyzed 6 investments 7 months ago, which amazingly resulted in a combined profit of 185%. Using ancient African wisdom in his strategies. In this video, I am going to unravel this wisdom for you. Let me take you on a journey through these age-old principles. Now, this is the story of the local boy who beat the stock market 13 times in 4 years. Our people used to say, when the roots are deep, there is no reason to fear the wind. Now, what does this really mean? This boy reviewed flour mills of Nigeria, and those that invested after his review made 3%. His peanut bar. He went on and reviewed Nestle. Those who invested after his review made 10% in profits. This guy reviewed Dangote Cement, and in only 7 months, those invested made a profit of 12%. But I know that's not impressive. You want something more than that. 12% is peanut for you. Guess what? This guy reviewed Vitafoam a few years back, and those who invested in it made a profit of 38%. That might still not impress you. You might still be like, meh, that is still not impressive, huh? Okay. This same guy reviewed GT Bank, GT Holdings. He reviewed the stock months ago, and after his review, those that invested made a profit of 93%. Now you should be wondering how he picked these shares. Is it voodoo? Is it black magic? No. He simply followed the saying, when the roots are deep, there is no reason to fear the wind. And the interpretation of this is that he found businesses that are well rooted in the ground. When we talk about well-rooted businesses, we are looking at businesses that you know what they own, you know what they owe. When you know what someone owns and what they owe, you will know what the actual value is. By the time you minus everything they owe from what they own, you would see the nakedness. There's nothing to hide. And when you find businesses that after taking out what they owe from what they own, and they are still strongly standing, they still have this delicious value, those are the businesses to select. And the funny thing about shares and businesses is that they submit report card to you every quarter. Yes, businesses on the stock market submit their report card. And what do you do with report cards? You look at their performance. Are they making money? If they're making money, are they spending the money well? After seeing that they're making good money and they're spending money well, you would now see what is left. Is there any profit left from the money they made? These are what you look out for to find businesses that their roots are deep in the ground. And when you find those businesses, you will not be worried about any nonsense wind. You will not be worried about any recession. You will not be worried about any panic in the market. You will just chill, snack on your pizza, and let the market do its thing. So we just covered the first 5 businesses reviewed here on YouTube, and the profits here are 3%, 10%, 12%, 38%, and 93%. Now I understand if you want more. It is very okay to be greedy, especially when it comes to your money. You want to grow your money as high as you can. This brings us to our next ancient wisdom, which is, if you close your eyes to facts, you will learn through accidents. Now, this strategy is very simple and straightforward. It simply means you understand how the business makes money. You understand the business position in the market. So in this instance, this guy dropped a video on MTN, and those that invested after he dropped that video made a profit of 136%. You see that we're in a different atmosphere now. We're not talking about profits below 100% now. We're going higher than that. He reviewed Jais Bank, and those that invested after he reviewed Jais Bank made a profit of 259%. You're still there playing with your money. Oh yeah, now. He reviewed Access Bank. Not once. He has 2 videos on Access Bank on YouTube, and those that invested in Access Bank after his review would have made a profit of 265%. I'm not done. Hold on. He also reviewed Guinness Nigeria. Those that invested after he reviewed Guinness Nigeria would have made a profit of 261%. And this is where the second ancient wisdom thrive. Remember what it says: if you close your eyes to facts, you will learn through accidents. Look, you have to be purposeful when it comes to spending your money on these businesses, which is why when analyzing all these businesses, he points out how these businesses make their money. It's not about just saying, oh, MTN, telecom, okay, I'm gonna invest my money. No. How do they actually make their money from telecom? If it's just a business that does calls, then the money to be made there is very limited. When last did you buy credit to make a phone call? Anytime you want to call somebody now, you're using WhatsApp. And what do you need to make your WhatsApp call? Internet. And MTN is a boss in this regard. He also explained how Jais Bank, Access Bank, and Guinness Nigeria make their money. Now, looking at profits of 136%, 259%, 259%, 265%, and 261% might still not be impressive for you. You might want more than that. You might request for more than that. Before everybody started shouting that, oh, Transcorp is making money on the stock market, somebody came to the comment section asking this boy what he thinks about Transcorp and if they should invest in it. And look at it. Look at what Transcorp did in 2023. Now let's go to the next ancient wisdom. In this place, we go for the big dogs. There is this saying in my village: a growing tree is stronger than a falling one. And here's how you apply this wisdom in the stock market. You find businesses that have room for growth. Great businesses are the ones that show the potential for growth. Now this boy was talking about Okomu Oil when it was just 55 naira per share. He was talking about Presco PLC when it was 36 naira. Let me surprise you. Both of those shares grew over 200 naira in 2023. So in the early days when he was talking about Okomu Oil, those that invested would have made a profit of 373%. Those that invested when I was talking about Presco PLC would have made a profit of 436%. He did not stop there. He did a video on Airtel Africa. Those that invested after he did his video would have made a profit of 531%. And then we have Wema Bank. Wema Bank is like a special ship. This guy was talking about Wema Bank when it was 70 kobo. Now it's 6 naira. 70 kobo to 6 naira. Those that invested when he made the Wema Bank video grew by 700%. I'm not joking. 700%. Just in 4 years. The theme for these 4 businesses are that they have a high ceiling. They have massive room to grow, which is why they're currently performing. And let me tell you the crazy thing. Some people left after they made a profit of 10%. Some people left when their profit was 50%. It blew their mind. Some people, when it got to 100%, they've doubled their money. They sold and they left. The stock market bounces. It bounces up, down, and you want it to bounce higher and higher. So sometimes you get into the stock market, and when the things start going down, you'll be like, oh my God, the market is crashing. You've lost all your money and you just quickly sell. That is not how to operate in the stock market. Do not be emotional with your money. Be logical. My people say, no matter how hot your anger is, it cannot cook yams. If you like vex, hot temper person, that your hot temper cannot cook yam. So if you like panic, the market will go down if you want to go down. If you like panic, to go up even if you panic. So why are you panicking? If you follow the ancient wisdoms we mentioned, you don't have to be emotional. You don't have to worry about anything. You just chill, relax, cross your legs, and just wait for the money to start flowing. And another thing I want you to learn is not to invest all your money in one share. Spread your risk. And I understand that some of you might be traumatized by shares and stocks and investing. Strong things have happened to some people. So you've heard the stories and are scared of investing. You can look out for low risk investments. I mean things like mutual funds and ETFs. You spread that risk. In Africa, we say, cross the river in a crowd and the crocodile won't eat you. Except you're in a horror movie. If you're still here, I made a video talking about how I spent my money in 2023. And you'll be amazed to where my money was going to in 2023. Guess how much I spent on Pizza in 2023. Guess how much I spent on Suya in 2023. Don't worry, the video will appear on the screen now. And as usual, if you like, smash the like button. Hold on. I noticed that some of you used to share my video and some of you don't used to share it. Please, when you like the video, you're free to share it. You don't have to just share it to only one person. And share it with 10 people self. The more the merrier. You can share it on WhatsApp or other means. Just check the share button there. Share it. It means a lot to me. Where do you stop again? If you like, smash the like button. Remember to subscribe. Cheers.